Hi students, today we are going to deal with a new conservatism after 1815. This is a part of the making of nationalism in Europe. Okay. Actually, what does the word mean by conservatism? Conservatism is nothing but the new rulers are following the methods of old rulers with the new name. Once again, I am repeating to better understand to you. Conservatism is nothing but the new rulers are following the same rules and regulations or conditions which is made by old rulers with new name. Okay, that is called as a conservatism. Then who maintained this conservatism after 1815? Let us see. Napoleon came to power in 1799. From 1799 to 1804, Napoleon was a constitutional monarch. Means based on the constitution only he ran. Okay, but he is the supreme person to decide anything in the Europe. So he is called as a constitutional monarch. But from 1804 onwards, Napoleon declared himself as absolute monarch. After 1804 onwards, he declared himself as the absolute monarch. Okay, means he won't follow any constitutional methods. Whatever he needs, whatever he will get in his mind, he will follow that. After becoming absolute monarch, he went to redraw the map of France with joining the other nations. Means when he became as absolute monarch, he got one idea that he want to join the new areas into the France. So he started to conquer the other areas. So he waged many wars and occupied many countries. In 1839, the countries like Britain, Russia, Prussia, and Italy, Austria joined together and tried to defeat Napoleon, and they were successful. Okay, in 1813, okay, by seeing this, means whatever the wars waged by the Napoleon, by seeing this, the Britain, Russia, and Prussia, and Italy, and Austria, they joined together their hands and they started to fight against the Napoleon. Okay, and in 1813, whenever they fight against the Napoleon, they were succeed. Okay, and Napoleon left back. Okay, he went back. Again in 1815, Napoleon came back with certain amount of army and made an attempt to destroy the kings. Okay, again in 1815 with some army, again he came back and he started to wage the wars with this group: Austria, Britain, Russia, and Prussia, and Italy. In 1815, completely Napoleon was defeated and imprisoned and punished to stay away from the kingdom, the place of island Saint Elba. Okay, in 1815 he totally defeated. He completely defeated in the hands of Britain, Russia, and Prussia, and Italy and Austria. Okay, and these countries, they kept him in the imprisoned and punished to stay. Means he want to stay away from the kingdom. Where he stayed means when he imprisoned means there is a one island that is called as a Saint Elba. After the defeat of Napoleon, the Napoleon defeated powers grouped together and formed as an union. Okay, after the defeat of Napoleon, the countries, okay, are the nations, are the powers, those who defeated the Napoleon, they formed as a one group, means one union. Okay, so when they formed as a group, in 1815, representatives of the European powers Britain, Russia, Prussia, and Austria, who had collectively defeated Napoleon, met at Vienna to draw a settlement for Europe. Means the representatives means from one country, one person, they are going to represent. Okay, means in if you'll see in the cricket matches, in the international matches of cricket, okay, our Indian team is representing the India, means that 11 persons are representing the India. Like that only, every single person from each country, they attended that meeting. Okay, where they kept that one? Vienna. Okay, and the Congress was hosted by the Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich, Who hosted this? Means who conducted this meeting first of all? Means the Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich. Okay. This is called as a peace treaty or Treaty of Vienna. This is called as a peace treaty or Treaty of Vienna. Who conducted this? The powers, those who defeated the Napoleon. When they conducted this? 1815. In this treaty, they discussed to restore the mistakes made by the Napoleon in the Europe. Okay, here they said that to restore the mistakes made by the Napoleon in the Europe. Means whatever the mistakes it was done by the Napoleon, to restore that, means to correct that. Okay, they discuss in this meeting. And one more thing, what they want to do means, for that purpose, means they want to restore the mistakes. First of all, before to that, they studied that what the actually Napoleon has done. What he has done, he had a well planned modern army, efficient bureaucracy, dynamic economy, and abolition of feudalism and serfdom, strengthening autocratic monarchies in Europe. This is all done by the Napoleon. Okay, so first they studied what the Napoleon had done. Okay, what they want to change. Okay, for the purpose they studied whatever it was done by the previously in the administration, what he had done in the administration. Okay, they studied that. Here actually why they studied whatever the administrative measure it was taken by the Napoleon means, why? Because the actual discussion in the meeting was that to eliminate the moves which are made by the Napoleon. Means whatever the good name it was there in the history of the Europe, they want to remove that good name to the Napoleon in the history. For that purpose only they made all these things. Means they want to destroy the mark of the Napoleon in the history of Europe. See here. Means why they made all these things, means they want to destroy the mark of the Napoleon. Mark means what is the good name. Okay, it was there in the history of Europe, they want to remove that. But they discussed and studied the factors which led for the success of Napoleon. Already I said that previously. Okay, they studied the factors which is the success of Napoleon. So then they started to understand modern army is must to every ruler which is equipped. Means already it is maintained by the Napoleon, so they also want to maintain this modern army. Why? Because every ruler needs the army. And efficient bureaucracy. Efficient bureaucracy means whatever the decisions it is going to take in the country, it should be taken by the officials only. Means officials means those who are ruling. Okay, that efficient bureaucracy is also required to have the structure system in the nature. Structure system means systematic system. Sorry, structured system means one. What is that? What we can say? Structured. Structured is nothing but in perfect method. Okay, whatever the system it is going to be run in a perfect method, it's called as a structured system. Okay, this type of system they need. So they also want to maintain the efficient bureaucracy. And a dynamic economy. Dynamic economy is nothing but which will brings the confidence and the capacities to buy the things, but the materials, buy the materials and hold the soldiers everything. Dynamic economy means economically standardness they want to maintain. Okay, abolition of feudalism and serfdom, already I said. Okay, this was done by the Napoleon, they also want to maintain this thing. Okay, the same thing. Okay, and the strengthening the autocratic monarchies is the main vision of the Duke Metternich. Actually what he want to do. Okay, why here they name why they took the name the Duke Metternich means he is the host. Okay, he only conducted that meeting. That's why mainly who is having this ideas to maintain these all these things and to change some of the things means, okay, mainly it for the Duke Metternich. So strengthening the autocratic monarchies, again they want to maintain the monarchy. Okay, who is having this vision mainly to the Duke Metternich. Okay, right? So for that purpose he want to restore the people who have been thrown by the Napoleon. Means the person who was removed by the Napoleon, he want to restore them. Okay, why? Because this group want to remove the mark of the, means what is that, mark of the Napoleon in the history. That's why they want to restore the people those who are removed by the Napoleon. Here they had given the meaning of conservatism. Conservatism is nothing but a political philosophy that stressed the importance of tradition, established institutions and customs, and preferred gradual development to quick change. You see here, the stressed the importance of tradition, it established institutions and customs. Means previously what was the rules and regulations are there. They are stressing the importance of that. Okay, and they are making some changes. Here also what they have done, that's why I said that whatever the conservatism after the 1815 means they maintain this one. Whatever the rules and regulations, whatever the military and whatever the things it was there done by the Napoleon, that same thing they are also maintaining. Why? Because they are stressing the importance of that. Again they are making some changes. That's why it is called as a conservatism. Okay, means here they want to follow the same method of ruling under their new brand name. Okay, previously whatever the ruling method it was there by the Napoleon, they want to maintain the same thing but new with under the new brand name. Okay, but what is the changes they made? What are the changes they made after the Napoleon? Means in the autocratic they want to have no tolerance to the people who talk against them and who raise the voice against them, who do not follow the guidelines or the ideologies which are given by the dictator. Means the persons, those who are not maintaining the, are not following or not accepting the words, are those who are raising their voice against the dictator, they are going to punish, means they are going to be hanged. Okay, they are going to be killed them. Okay, no tolerance means no mercy on them. Okay, no humanity on them. They used to kill them. Any criticism will not be heard by them. If anyone raise their voice and criticize the king, they will be beheaded. This is the thing. Okay, means anyone is going to be raise the voice or criticize, they are going to be beheaded. Okay, any kind of dissatisfaction will not be accepted. You have to be abide yourself for the laws which are passed by the king. If any law it is passed by the king, if anyone is not going to be satisfied, if anyone had the dissatisfaction, even though they are having the dissatisfaction, they has to be accept that one. If anyone is going to be abide, they are going to be punished. Okay, legitimacy means here, legitimacy means the king decision is the final, which is related to the laws or rules. Okay, means here you see, already said in the previous sentence, if anyone having the dissatisfaction also, they want to accept that one. Means whose decision is the final here regarding to the rules and regulations? The king's. Okay, the king's decision is the final. Censorship on the newspaper. They kept certain conditions on the newspapers also. Newspapers, books, plays on songs and reflected the ideas of liberty and freedom associated with the French Revolution. Means they made a one censorship on newspaper, on the books and the songs also. Okay, on which newspapers, on which books, on which songs they were made the censorship, which reflect the ideas of liberty, means which will create the idea in the minds of the people about their freedom. Okay, and which is associated with the French Revolution. These all the things they were made a censorship. These are the new conservatives by them. Okay, once again we'll see what are the three new conservatives. Actually, there is no tolerance to the people, those who are raise their voice against the king. Okay, and no one had a chance to raise or criticize the king. And if anyone is not going to accept the rules and regulations of the king, okay, if anyone if anyone are dissatisfied with the rules and regulations of the king, they should accept that one. Okay, even though they are dissatisfied. Okay, finally who will have the power to take the decision means the king's decision is the final. And some censorship on what they kept the censorship means on the newspaper, books and plays and songs which is related to the liberty and freedom and which belongs to the French Revolution. Whenever these books and plays and songs will reach to the people, again the people also will fight for the liberty, for the freedom. So they made a censorship on that. These are the new conservatives made by them. Okay, thank you.